Hey guys, welcome to TheCloudCareers. It's been a while that I have uploaded a video in our channel. So today, in this how to run a Linux terminal as a default on the top of your Windows 10 machine directly without having to install a VirtualBox or an ancient workstation, VMware workstation type and making your system mess. So just like your Linux machine or a Mac machine, how you have a default Linux terminal, just if you right click open terminal, how you are having a Linux terminal, just like that, I'll show you how can you use a Ubuntu or a Linux, any flavor of your Linux of your choice on the top of your Windows machine directly without installing any third-party software. Okay, so I know you guys like Windows, but at the same time, I know you love Windows and you want to have the flavor of Linux. Don't worry about that. Windows has already done that for you. So I'll show you how to gain that. Okay, so for that, just click your Windows button and search for turn Windows features on or off. Go here. All you have to do is you just need to enable a couple of options. One is Windows Subsystem for Linux. So guys, Windows Subsystem for Linux is a layer which is on the top of your Windows operating system, which will provide you a Linux kernel, okay, Linux based kernel. This feature, Windows Subsystem for Linux, you will get it from starting from Windows 10. Okay, so right now the latest version of WSL is 2, Windows Subsystem for Linux 2. There are a lot of enhancements that has been done on the top of WSL version 2. So that's why I haven't done any videos on WSL 1. So yeah, WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. By installing this or by enabling this feature on Windows, you will get a default Windows Linux terminal, just like how you're getting your command prompt, you can get your Linux terminal. So along with that, okay, this is the one which I have enabled, guys. So I'm just highlighting that Windows Subsystem for Linux. Along with that, you have to enable Windows Virtual Machine Platform. It will enable the Hyper-V in the background. Okay, now this will prompt you to restart your machine. So my recording will start post to that. Now this will search for that file and it will restart my computer to apply that feature. Very soon I'll get a prompt to restart. So yeah, let me restart my computer. So just now my system is restarted. So after enabling these features, now what we have to do is we have to download the Linux flavor of our choice. So for that, just go to the Windows menu and then search for WSL, not WSL, Microsoft Windows Stores. Or just type the store, you'll get the Microsoft Windows Store. It's just like a Play Store on your Android phone. So it will take a while to search. Yeah, it came up very soon. Now in the search prompt, just type for the Linux. So here there are a lot of flavors of Linux. So Ubuntu Linux, Kali Linux, or Debian Linux, SUSE Linux. There are a lot of Linux, but personally Ubuntu is my choice. So I just click the Linux. So it will ask you to download that. So the download will take a while. So just now I have downloaded that. So if not, instead of launch, you would have got download option. So since it's already downloaded, I'm gonna launch it. So that's it, you got your Ubuntu prompt. Okay, if you want to, so what are the commands that you want to execute, you can execute on this, guys. Who am I? It will tell you Ubuntu. If you want to see anything, so top, so whatever you can execute on the top of your Ubuntu machine, you can execute the same on the top of your Windows machine without having to install anything else or without having to install a VMware workstation or a virtual box to have a Linux flavor. Basically, your Windows machine has a Linux terminal just like your Linux machine or your Mac machine. So don't regret that you don't have a Mac machine. Yes, you have your terminal. So you can close it. And again, if you want to open that, so all you have to do is just type Windows and search for Ubuntu. That's it, done. You have your own Linux terminal. That's it, guys. So that's it. If you want, and if you want to execute any other commands as well, you can, let's say cat hexi password to search the list of users in any Linux flavor. That's it. Here we go. This is all about installing the WSL Windows Workstation for Linux on the top of your Windows, and this is how we can enjoy the flavor of Linux straight from your Windows machine. Thank you. If you like my explanation, hit a thumbs up and share this video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.